My name's Mark Kearney. I'm Professor of Cardiology at the hospital in Leeds, and I was a graduate of Leeds University. And really, I should love my stethoscope. I want to tell you a really sad story about stethoscopes that started off with bright lights and lots of hope. A stethoscope to a medical student is a rite of passage. It's a validation, it's a step into the unknown, and it's something for your mum and dad to buy you when you go onto the wards. And I started off with good intent. I loved my stethoscope, but I didn't really know how to use it very well because I was tone deaf. I was not very good at using a pinard stethoscope, which is used to listen to the baby's heart when you're doing obstetrics. So I wasn't very good with that, but I tried very hard, and I was taught by some of the giants of cardiology in Leeds. So I was taught by John Perrins, who actually bought me a stethoscope. I was taught by John Stoker at St James. I was taught by Don Smith, who all knew how to use a stethoscope. So I tried very hard, and eventually I fell in love with my stethoscope. But sadly, I've fallen out of love with my stethoscope now. Before this meeting today, I couldn't find it. And the reason I couldn't find it is because the stethoscope is becoming like the dodo. It's becoming extinct. Because now in my clinic, I don't use a stethoscope, because if I want to look at the heart, I use ultrasound. I have a technician who will take pictures of the heart and give you more detail than you can believe. So I think sadly, in a few years' time, we won't even need stethoscopes because they'll have gone.